My friend Monkey right here is about to roll you a cigar. Monkey? Hey, buddy. What do we got here? What do we got here? Talk to me.
Portofino.
Portofino for Roger Bouchard. Monkey has been rolling cigars in the last 45 years here at Key West. And he's been stationed here at the Schooner Wharp bar. If you've never seen him before, come down and see him. If you've never smoked cigar before, you will smoke cigar after you've smoked Monkey's cigar. So Roger, you will love this. This is specially rolled for you, my friend. Monkey, where are the tobacco leaves from? Dominican Republic. So if y'all are coming down to Key West, come see Monkey at the Schooner Wharp bar. What are we doing, Monkey? We are polishing the cigar. And I'm going to tell you about a story about Monkey. Monkey got drunk with other than a schnapps, and he ended up stealing a cab and drove it all over town. More leaf. That's where he gets his tobacco leaves. And he uses his cigarette lighter to hold it down. That's a pretty sharp knife there, Monkey. Now what do you do with that? What do you do with that excess? Is that reusable?
I'll make the smaller flavored ones.
He makes a smaller cigar out of that. This is art in itself, making a cigar. Oh, Monkey, that's beautiful. Now, how old are these tobacco leaves? How old are they? How many days before they can use this particular leaf?
You just got to get them wet. They dry them out, and then you got to get them wet. They dry them out, and then you got to get them wet.
All right, it won't be too long, and we'll have a cigar. Thank you very much.